year. So we're going to come out and play Michigan basketball and try to get a win tomorrow.
Douglas and Novak are both from Indiana. Can you tell they were really excited and hyped for today's game, being able to be back home playing?
Yeah, they was definitely excited, and that's a good thing. It's probably a little bit of our advantage, them being from Indiana. They want to make big shots. They probably got a lot of fans here, and I hope they come out and have a big game tomorrow.
What are you guys going to do to be able to prepare? You have less than 24 hours till Ohio State tomorrow.
I mean, we didn't play them twice this year, so we just got to basically eat right, hydrate, get in the cold tub, just do the things, just be smart. Like I said, off the court, we kind of pretty much prepare for them, and Coach will do a good job preparing us for them tomorrow.
Michigan fell out of the spotlight earlier, top 15 preseason, fall below 500. How are you guys going to, get back in it? They were talking about how in conference tournament anything can happen. Is that going to be kind of your mentality?
I mean, that's our only hope, and that's the mentality we got to have. Anything can happen, and we definitely coming in thinking we're going to win and wanting to win this game. So it's our last chance, and we're gonna try to make it happen.
What's the feeling like, knowing that this is kind of a do or die kind of playoff situation? How does that change the dynamic of the way you guys play?
I mean, everybody know how big this game is, and we're just gonna come out, like I said, play Michigan basketball and come out and try to come out with this win.
Is it different though, knowing that when you go out on the court that it's win or go home?
Oh yeah, it's definitely a different feeling, but that should make kind of make people play harder and better. And I think our team is up for it. I know our team up for the challenge, and we just gonna play as hard as we can to try to win tomorrow.
Manny, did you know it was gonna be one of those days when you hit that first shot?
I mean, I knew it was gonna be one of those days I'd be aggressive if I was made or missed the first shot, but making that first shot definitely helped.
That run that they made in the second half, what was going through your mind when they're doing that? All of a sudden you look up, it's a 5-point game.
I was, like I said before, I was thinking about the last game we played in Iowa, and I was just saying in my head, I don't want to go into another overtime game with this team, man. We was able to push the lead back up when they made their run and come out with the win.
What did Coach Beilein talk to you guys about in some of those timeouts when they were making those runs?
Just keep positive faces, and they made a run. We're going to come out, and somebody's going to make a big shot, and I think DeVale came down and made a layup, and Zach Novak came down and made a big three. Oh, no, Deshaun got a big block, and Zach Novak hit a big three-pointer, and we was kind of like on from there.
You talk about LaVelle getting his confidence back shooting-wise a little bit. He's been in the slump. Kind of got it going for you guys today.
Oh, yeah. Good shooters like LaVelle sometimes be in slumps, but he going to snap out of it, and he did today, making one of them. Hopefully tomorrow he come in and make three of them, 3 or 4, and we'll need it.
Quick start a little bit. Does the postseason kind of bring out the best in you?
I mean, postseason to try to bring out the best in anybody, and I know it's like a win to go home for us, and everyone just trying to come in with confidence and just play hard and smart so that we can keep winning and keep hope alive.